Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Yeada here for those of you that are new. If you are new on this channel, I do lifestyle, home decor, DIY, and hair videos. So if that's content that you like to watch, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you are notified every single time that I post a new video. So y'all, today's video is going to be a pretty chill Saturday vlog. It's gloomy, it's rainy, it's probably cold outside, and I don't have plans to be outdoors anytime soon. So yeah, with that being said, today we are just going to be cleaning up around the house, doing some laundry. I got a package that came in the mail yesterday that I want to show you guys and put together with you guys. So I am expecting one more package from Amazon today, so hopefully it comes during the time that I'm vlogging with y'all so y'all can see what I picked up or ordered from them. So yeah, it's about 10:30 now and I'm hungry. I have a taste for pancakes. I don't know why, because I haven't had pancakes in a while, but that's what I want. That's what we're gonna make. And also, y'all, I don't know if I mentioned it, but y'all know how I'm always talking about the drink from Starbucks, the medicine ball. Well, I don't know if I mentioned this to y'all, but I have went to the store and bought the ingredients for it, and I make my homemade medicine ball. That is what I'm going to be making today. And when I tell y'all, it is identical to the Starbucks drink. Like, it is so bomb. So yeah, if y'all want the deets on that, then y'all better keep watching this video. But I'm about to get the day started, so let's head downstairs and get to cooking. Here's my breakfast. We got some eggs, pancakes, and then I got a little fruit cup here with some pineapples and oranges. And then for my drink, I have this V8 Splash. This is the fruit medley punch drink. It's so good, y'all. So I am just about to eat and then start cleaning up. Dishwasher going, but I wanted to show y'all because I'm currently making my tea, my at-home medicine ball. But these are the two teas that Starbucks use in their medicine ball: Tivana brand, Peach Tranquility, and Jade Citrus Mint Tea. Both of these, this is what it looked like. You can get these at Walmart, Target. I know at Walmart these are about $5.97. It's about $6 each. But yeah, so I usually just take 2 tea bags, 1 of each. Here they go. And then I have my little cup here. Shout out to my sister Amber and her business to die for. But so with this, I have my little electric kettle, and I already have steamed some water in here, so I'm just gonna pour it halfway. And let me show y'all. So it looks like that. And then it's really hot, by the way, so you have to be very careful. So now y'all, this is the good part. Lemonade. So they use steamed lemonade. I like to use Minute Maid lemonade, so I put it in the kettle as well. So I'll pour the hot water out first, and then I'm going to pour, y'all see that steam? You see that steam? I'm going to pour the lemonade into here, and not too much, but enough to fill up the rest of the cup. I think that should be enough. So then put this on the kettle, let it warm up, and then pour the rest into the cup. So they also use honey. I know a lot of times they ask if you want like peppermint. I don't do no peppermint because I like the sweet taste already, and I feel like the peppermint would just, I don't know, I don't want it. So yeah. All right, y'all, so now for the lemonade. It's hot. I be trying to eyeball it and put just enough. Ooh, look at that. Just enough. All right, so now for the honey, I like to do 3 like squeezes, I guess. So that's 1, 2, 3. And then I just get my spoon. Y'all, it smells so good. But alright, so that is it. That's how you make a homemade medicine ball. I gotta hear this thing click. I'm not, there we go. Not trying to spill it. Alright. Okay, y'all, so it is a little bit later, and I have put my clothes in the washer and dryer. So as that is going, I'm currently in my loft area, and I figured this was the perfect time to show you guys my new addition to the loft, which is my desk. And how cute or how pretty is this desk? This is the chair that I am using temporarily, but your girl has just purchased a new one and it came yesterday. So that is what we're going to be putting together right now. So let me go and get it. Let me prop y'all up. Oops. Hold on. Let me go and get it. Hold on. Alright, y'all. So we're gonna put together the new chair. And I got this from Amazon. This is by, hold on. This chair is by the company, I want to say Belize. I think that's how you would pronounce it. But y'all, are y'all ready for the sneak peek? This is the chair. Oh, I think it's gonna be so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, let's get started. tell y'all, this chair is so cute. Oh my gosh. Y'all can't tell me this chair ain't cute. And it happened to be the exact same color as my couch down there. So it's like perfect. Wow. Wow, y'all, I did that. I did that. All right, guys, so my Amazon package just came. Let's open it to see what I got. I want to show y'all what I picked up. I got it all packaged good. But so the first thing I picked up was these elderberry gummies, which I absolutely love. It's really good for your immune system, so I picked some of those up. I also picked up this little LED night light for my hallway downstairs for when I come in. It changes lights, like the colors of the light, to these different colors down here, but I thought this was super convenient and cute. And then I picked up just a little memory card case for my memory cards, so I can hold them in there so they're just not like thrown around or misplaced. And last but not least, your girl finally got a ring light. I know, after all this time, I should have been had a ring light, but this is by the brand UB's B-Size. But yes, I finally got a ring light. So we get a tripod with it, the actual ring light, and I believe this is either a 10-inch or a 12-inch, and I believe it came with a short one as well. Alright, you guys, so this is gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys want to see next. Be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as that bell link. That way you can join the Glamour Squad and be up to date on every time I post new content. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.